So in this video I want to show you what to do if your Schlage FE595 model unlocks from the outside without entering a code, or it won't lock from the outside. Okay, like this one here, you can see it unlocks without entering a code. Okay, so what you want to do in this case is to go to the interior assembly. So you want to check this turn piece here. If your turn piece is this way in the vertical position, that's the reason your lock is not locking from the outside. Okay, so if it is in this position, it's set to stay unlocked. Okay, so you don't need to enter a code to unlock your door from the outside. Okay, so what you want to do is to turn it to the horizontal position. Okay, so turn it this way. Okay, you're going to hear a click sound. So let's go back to the keypad. Okay, let's test it. Okay, so you can see it's locked. Now to unlock, you need to enter a code. Okay, so that's how it works. That's how to fix this problem. So if your Schlage FE595 is not locking from the outside, or it unlocks without entering a code, what you want to do is to go to the interior assembly and turn the turn piece to the horizontal position. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.